If you're reporting in Power BI, your leadership team is asking 4 questions every Monday morning. Is performance good or bad? By how much against plan or last year? Why is this happening? And what should we do about it? Well, most reports can only answer one of these questions. The good ones answer 2. This one that you see on your screen answers all 4. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how it's built and why more than 3,000 companies have moved their reporting to Zebra BI. So here's the conversation almost every reporting team has. The data is in Power BI, the report looks fine, but every Monday someone asks, why is this off? And the room can't answer without opening 3 more reports. Now the problem isn't your data. It's the distance between the data and the decisions that your business needs to make. Now let's go back to a typical Power BI report. Is performance here good or bad? Well, you'd have to study it. Compared to plan? Well, nothing here tells you. Why? Completely absent. What are we going to do about it? Well, we'll probably need a meeting to figure out even the first few questions. Now, let's look at the same data in Zebra BI. It's easy to answer those questions. Like, how are we doing? Well, our gross profit is underneath our plan by 1.5%. Why? Well, it's probably because our costs have grown significantly higher. And what are we going to do about it? Well, we can see here. Now, costs have skyrocketed due to high increases in energy prices. See, it was easy to explain exactly what's going on. Now, let's build this report. So first, we're going to put the native cards into our report. Here, we're going to grab our actuals and add it to data. We also have to change the data type here to whole number. There we go, 928K. So this is what I get, a number. Well, does this tell me anything? Is this good? Well, no idea. A number without context is just a number. The only way to understand performance is to compare it to something, like your plan, like your last year, to your forecast. So now let's add a Zebra BI card. Now, comparison and variances are the holy grail of business reporting. It's what tells you whether a number is good or bad, and by exactly how much. With Zebra BI, like you saw, I don't write a single formula to get this. No docs, no IT support. I just drag my plan in and then drag my previous year in, just like this. And that's it. Zebra BI calculates and visualizes all the variances automatically and immediately. Green is above plan, red would be below, absolute and percentage variances if I need them. And all of this without writing a line of calculation. Any business user builds this, any business user can read it. Now we need one more field. We have 4 KPIs, 4 comparisons, 1 visual, 1 data load. So let's add our KPIs into our groups, and there we go. Now we have 4 of our KPI cards. Now, Shane Brinkman at Gore Medical had never used Power BI before he had to build the first financial reporting package. He found Zebra BI, activated a trial, and had a complete working report in half a day. Their CFO stopped using every other tool, not because she was asked to, but because the reports were simply clearer. Now for the time story. How are we trending month by month against our plan? Well, here we already have a native Power BI chart, but let me show you how much better a Zebra BI trend chart can be. I'll add my Zebra BI chart and add in my measures. A waterfall chart is created. Variance is calculated automatically. No formula behind this. And if I want a column chart or a line chart, it's just one click away on my chart slider. The same data, different view, depending on who you're presenting to or what kind of data you're presenting. Now watch this. I only have to add one field to groups, and now every business unit gets its own chart, automatically scaled to each other. The outlier shows itself in 2 seconds. No extra visuals, no separate pages. Coca-Cola's team uses this for board level presentations. All markets on one screen, correctly scaled without flipping between tabs. Now let's build the detail layer. We already have here a native Power BI matrix, and this is the data that we're going to show also with our Zebra BI tables. We'll add the tables, add our measures, and in seconds, variances, color-coded, the bar charts that are integrated inside the cells so you can see scale at a glance without a separate visual. We can even do some advanced analysis, like apply a top-end function, and the page stays focused on the categories that actually drive performance. Same data, native Power BI, all the numbers, but sadly, none of the story. Now let's add another Zebra BI table to break down our data even more. And now let's look at the full page. We have key metrics, top left, where your eyes land first. We have the trend story to the right and all the details at the bottom. This is the Z pattern, and it works with the way we naturally read a page. Now the thing that makes a report actionable rather than just informative, the comments. Numbers answer the what, and the comments answer the why. You can add comments from your data model, pinned automatically to the right data point, or annotate directly on the visual, whether you're the person who built the report or someone that's just reading it. The explanation lives exactly where the number lives. No follow-up email, no "I'll explain this in the next meeting." Now let me show you a finance use case, because this is where a lot of teams hit a wall with native Power BI. A P&L is not a flat table. Revenue rows and expense rows behave differently. Gross profit is a result. Costs need to be inverted, so an increase is shown as negative variance. Getting all of this right in native means writing a lot of complex docs. With Zebra BI, add a category class field that tells the visual which rows are income, which are expense, which are results. Inversions, result rows, waterfall breakdowns, all are automatic. You spend your time on analyzing the data, not on writing formulas. And all of the interactions from Power BI still work. You're one click away from monthly to year-to-date numbers. The same visual, the same comments, just a different time window. At Heyman's, the board of directors dashboard uses embedded comments so executives see not just the numbers, but the reasoning behind them, in the meeting without anyone walking them through it. Finance, sales, HR, operations, supply chain. Zebra BI works across every department and every use case. What makes that possible? Every report follows the same visual rules. Red is always negative, green is always positive. Solid bars are the actuals, hatched is forecast. Always. This is IBCS, the International Communication Standards for Business Reporting. They're built into every Zebra BI visual by default. Your leadership team reads a sales dashboard in the morning and the supply chain report in the afternoon. And they're reading the same language both times. No decoding, no relearning, one standard every department. That's what makes reporting scale across the whole organization. And Zebra BI doesn't stop at Power BI. Zebra BI for Office brings the same visuals into Excel and PowerPoint. Same tables, same charts, same IBCS standards. Teams working in Excel can start here today. When they're ready to move to Power BI, the visuals are identical. Then there's Zebra AI, a standalone product and a native workload inside Microsoft Fabric. Connect your data from wherever it lives: Power BI, OneLake, Databricks, Snowflake, Excel, even CSV files. In seconds, Zebra AI analyzes your data and builds a full interactive Zebra BI dashboard, automatically structured and formatted. But it goes further. It generates a written narrative explaining what's actually happening in your data, not just what the numbers show you. It surfaces recommendations. You can chat with your data directly. Ask which region is most below plan and get an answer with the visual right there. And from here, there's only one click to a board-ready presentation. If you have a weekly or monthly report that currently takes hours, Zebra AI can do it in seconds. One license covers all Zebra BI visuals for Power BI. The same experience is available in Excel and PowerPoint through Zebra BI for Office, and Zebra AI is ready to explore as a separate product. It's time for you to jump on this trend, as more than 3,000 companies across 115 countries are already reporting this way. Once your team stops explaining the numbers and starts acting on them, the old way of reporting simply stops making sense. Beyond the visuals, 50 hours of free on-demand training, a free academy, more than 100 ready-to-use templates, an extensive knowledge base, and a support team that actually responds. Because the goal isn't to sell you a visual and move on, it's to make sure your reports actually work. There's two ways to take this further. If you want to install Zebra BI and try it on your own data, your full access trial starts at zebrabi.com. No credit card needed. Everything you've seen today is there from day one. If you'd rather walk through one of your reports with our team, well, book a session. Bring your data, we'll bring the team, and we'll build something real with you. And you'll leave with something that your finance or BI team can use on Monday morning. Either way, this is where the conversation about better reporting starts. Thank you for watching, and see you inside of the Zebra BI community.